Come here, Gladys. This way. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, get out of there. That's not what we think down here. Come on. It's like being in the bowl. Or warmer. Come on, guys. This way. Gladys, are you helping Dad with first aid? Thank you. Thank you, Ace. You've been comfort. Gladys, please don't lick the pool. Please don't. Thank you. Thanks for fixing me up, Michael. You're welcome. Oh, sorry, Ace. It's a big deal for a little piece of glass.
Yeah.
Thanks. Hey, Gladys. She likes want a burger. You need to get in the back. Don't be so dramatic. Get in the back, sissy. Good girl. Hi. Ace. You can stand there. But we're not opening the door. It's too hot. Morning. Outside a vet yet again. But this is just a nail trim. And Gladys is so excited to go in. She doesn't know what's in there, but I love that she is not afraid. Ace is afraid, but that's a whole different conversation. First day of vacation. Dogs to the vet. It's always how we start out. Gladys, are you so happy? You love going to the vet. Ace is derped out. So as one does when we go to HTO, we try everything, all the different flavors. And mine is very delicious. It's delicious. Texas chai and some Georgia peach unsweet. And Mike somehow tasted everything, and I'm not sure how he accomplished his recipe, but it is, I don't know, no bueno.
You don't like mine? Mine is super.
Super for whom?
It tastes so good for me.
That's good. I'm glad he's happy. I'm happy if he's happy. Okay, look.